Dear scholars, please note that this video contains 25 multiple choice questions from the subject Biostatistics. I have picked questions from the topics graphical data representations and various types of testing hypotheses. First question. Frequency polygon can be drawn after, and the correct answer is option A, after histogram. Question number 2. A monthly purchase of injectables by a hospital is graphically shown as below. What type of graphical representation it is? And the correct answer is option C, bar graph. Question number 3. Pie chart is drawn with the help of, and the correct answer is option D, sectors of the circle. Question number 4. In a class test, 50% students scored more than 60% marks. If the data is represented by the pie chart, what is the angle corresponding to the 60% marks or more marks? And the correct answer is option C, 180 degree. Solution for question number 4. We know that circle is 360 degree. Let the circle students, then 100% is equal to 360 degree. 1% is equal to 360 degree by 100, that is equal to 360 by 100 is equal to 3.6. so 50% is equal to 50 into 3.6, and that is equal to 3.6 into 50 is equal to 180 degree. Question number 5. To determine mode and median graphically, we consider, and the correct answer is option D, histogram and ogive. Question number 6. Ogive curve is also called as, and the correct answer is option A, cumulative frequency curve. Question number 7. Width of bars in bar diagram are, and the correct answer is option A, equal. 8th question. The basic ways of collecting data is are, and the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Data can be collected by personal interviews, surveys, and telephonic interviews. 9th question. The curve obtained by joining the points whose coordinates are the upper limit of the class interval and y coordinates are the corresponding cumulative frequency is called, and the correct answer is option B, ogive curve. A dash is a graphical representation of time series that reveals the changes that occurred at different time periods, and the correct answer is option A, histogram. 11th question. Ogives can be helpful in locating graphically the, and the correct answer is option A, median. 12th question. Which of the following is our types of hypothesis? And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. 13th question. A/n dash is used to determine the relationship between two variables. Which are the two things that are being tested? And the correct answer is option C, hypothesis. Question number 14. Which statement is incorrect in regard with the null hypothesis? And the correct option is option A. It is generally denoted as H1. We all know that null hypothesis is denoted by H0, not H1. Question number 15. Which statement is incorrect in relation with the level of significance? And the correct answer is option C. The probability of accepting the null hypothesis is statistical test when it is true. What is wrong with this statement? It should be the probability of rejecting, not accepting. Question number 16. Which of the following statement is incorrect? And the correct answer is option D. The null hypothesis states that there is a relationship between two variables. Actually, this statement should be like the null hypothesis states that there is no relationship between two variables. Question number 17. Which of the following statements are correct? And the correct answer is option E. All of the above are correct. Question number 18. Which of the following statements are correct? And the correct answer is option D. 19th question. 1 beta is also known as the, and the correct answer is option C. True positive. Question number 20. A confidence interval is a range of values bounded above and below the statistics, and the correct answer is option C. Mean. Question number 21. Which mode of data collection is costlier? And the correct answer is option C. Direct observations. Question number 22. When classification is done on the basis of place, it is referred as, and the correct answer is option A. Spatial. Question number 23. The histogram on right represents the length of stay of patients in hospital in days. How many patients are included in the histogram? And the correct answer is option C. 115. Question number 24. The below image is an example of, and the correct answer is option C. Ogive curve. Question number 25. In semi-logarithmic graph, and the correct answer is option A. One axis has logarithmic scale and other axis has linear scale. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and support my work.